Hey guys, the learning management system that I chose to look around on was Schoology, which I know we've talked about a few times in class, but this was the first time I actually really went in and looked at all the different details and sources that it had. I really enjoyed it overall. It was really easy. Everything was just kind of right up front. There's I never had any questions on how I would want to do something. Since I'm not actually teaching any courses, I just said I was a teacher at St. Martin's, and I put in one of my classes that I'm in. And just to kind of see how it would work, I put in one of the papers that I had due today, just to see like how easy it would be. Put in assignments, super easy. Calendar shows you when things are due, little updates, which is really nice. Has the grade book, attendance, everything already on here, which I thought about just making my own website, but then it wouldn't have all of this already built in. So this is just really easy and handy. I also really enjoyed how it had the resources tab because you can download apps onto Schoology, like onto your page. That way your students don't have to download them onto their own computers or anything. It's already built in. So overall, it was really easy, really nice. I hope whatever district I end up teaching in has it.